Cat Queen here, and today I got a squishy package from Mercari. So let's get into the video. So you guys get the first peek. Okay, so the extras. So I got these two squishies, which are these Cutie Creative squishies. It didn't come with any extras, but it was packaged really nicely. So the first squishy I got was the Cutie Creative Cutie Creature. It's really warm because it's really hot outside today. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. I can't tell it's not now, but it smells like, I think, kind of cream apple. I don't know. This one feels so soft. Oh my gosh. And now for this squishy, which is the Cutie Creative Hamburger. Okay. It has like this nice like sticker on the top. So here it is. Oh my gosh. This is this was my dream squishy, so it feels so nice. Like the seeds fall really like a lot soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans.